Today we will explain about data journey in a computer, which is how data travel inside a computer from the moment give a command until the result are displayed back to user. This journey begins with a input device such as keyboard, touchscreen, mouse, or sensor. Every time we perform an action, the input device implicitly converts it into a digital signal that can be read by the system. After that, the data enters IEA controller, which is a component that functions as a translator and data traffic controller from external device to inside of the computer. The IAO controller ensures that the incoming data
After passing through the I/O controller, data is transferred to main memory, specifically RAM. RAM serves as temporary storage for data and instructions that are being processed. Because RAM has high speed, data can be transferred and accessed in a very short time. From RAM, data is then sent to the CPU, the main processing center. The CPU works through the important steps: fetch, which is retrieving instruction from RAM; decode, which is reading and interpreting instruction; and execute, which is carrying out the commands. After the CPU completes its task, the processed data is returned to RAM as a temporary result. This process occurs continuously, repeatedly.
When the final results are available in RAM, the computer will send them to an output device, such as a monitor, screen, speaker, or printer. The output device will convert the digital data into visual, audio, or other forms of information that humans can understand. In addition, of the data needs to be stored for later use. The computer will send it to secondary storage such as a SSD or HDD. This is where the data is stored permanently, so it can be accessed whenever the user needs it. Thus, the journey of data in a computer takes place through the following path: input to I/O controller, to RAM, to CPU, to RAM again, to output or storage. Although the process seems long, all these steps takes place very quickly, so that